Okay.
Pesto, pesto!
Pablo. Salud. Tarungan. Tuaso. Bakri. Jordan Tagalog. Ang bibilis nila, parang mga kagambang bagong buwan. Bibilis.
Pesto, pesto!
Number 2, Bunyi. To Jordan Tagalog. To Bunyi. Bunyi yan, ikaw yan.
Kapit. Paal.
Number 10, lang ang foul, same ball. Basket no count.
Walang continuation.
Pesto, pesto!
Jordan. Bunyi. Damaso mo. Number 7, one nice defense.
Basang-basa ka na, tol! Huwag ka nang bumalik! Nakala ka na nasa ilalim.
One nice defense for Salud. Iba na ang Gapang Star.
Nakala ka na nasa nakabantay sa kanya.
Salud again. Salud! 4-2! Full vision si Bruce talaga. Pinaganda niya talaga yung game ito. Jordan na. To Jaworski. On the side.
Naku naman!
Ang piliin sila wala. Salud! Salud! Salud!
Hindi mo kailangan mo 3-point eh.
Inabitan na. Foul on number 7. Jaworski. Something. Hindi na po pumasok. Sub number 7 out. Sub. Sino po ang papalitan? Okay. Same ball. PDBC ball.
Harap, harap!
Harurap!
Diretso!
Tamasan man. Hit sa hot delivery.
Sayang.
May pa.
Careful naman. Diyan naman siguro makapasok ka na.
Hacking foul, Mr. Karumay. Mr. Karumay, yun na po yan, paring ganito. Paring ganito.
Sigurado! Overtime!
Second personal foul by Mr. Karumay. Dabasan man, doon. Kasi Mason man.
Isa pa, Bernard, isa pa!
Ang butas nila ang free throw. Second try. Wow! Sumusunod pa!
Steady lang.
Oh, harap, harap, harap!
Tuwaso. Ginugulo. Karumay. Salud again. There's the foul. Nakabigwit ng foul on number 31 sa letra ng N. Number 31. First personal foul ng number 31. May apat pa ko yan.
Ito ay napasok.
First try, Mr. Salud.
Ron! Ron, ikas ah!
Medyo napapagod na yung isa. Second try, Mr. Salud. Basket is good. Cutting the lead to 7 points, 40 to break.
Pesto!
Triangle on the ball. Damaso to number 2. Bunyi. What? Traveling to Madagascar. Kernel Tuason. Apa yan? Napinurisan pala. Rebound by Mr. Sando. Nabagsakan ng blocking. Foul on number 16, Mr. Barry.
Tama ko ang isa.
Number 2. Hinaharap ang kape. Sa letra na. 2 free throws for number 1.
Pakasarasala yung gano'n.
Number 16, third personal foul. And a third team foul for the QD.
Nice one!
First try, the studio basket is good. 7 minutes and 17 seconds, third period. Second try, minus po kaya. Basket is good.
Nice one!
Order number 3, extending the lead to 9 points. Wasam to number 10, Karungay. Cross court pass to Apayan. Apayan. 10 seconds to shot. Patri. Grab 2. Gets his own pass. Rebound by Tomasan. To number 2. Number 2 pass break play. 55 yards. May foul.
Saya!
And a foul on number 10, Karungay. Judy foul by number 10. A wise foul and number 10, third personal foul. Goats.
Surbol.
Number 9, first try. Ating pong second game, Aska versus Man Veterans.
Malakas ba yung Aska?
Magandang laban yan, parang ganito.
Hindi ko napad ng laro.
Oo nga, parang yan. Second try, basket good. Subdivision. Bakri out, Wasile in. Idol Wasile. 4 minutes and 26 seconds. 43-33, 10 po ka lang, nahabol ng QDBC. Wasam. 2. Oh, may foul. Foul on number 2. Kapit mahal. Ang tinatawag na kapit mahal pa. Wala pa pong penalty. 30 pa ang 40 pa. Pareho 30 pa.
Steady lang, steady lang.
Tuwasong cross court pass to Apayan. Apayan! Astron! Apanay ba na? Apanay 2 points! Astron na lang. Walo na lang po ang kalamangan.
Masyad lang siya pala.
Bunyi to the muscle man. Sambo. Nice one! Three! Point. What a nice shot from the back. Number 10, Karumay, no rebound! Sambo! Oh, may foul!
Talsik siya.
Foul by number 5, Wasale. Ilan na yan, parang dito? First na, matigit si Wasale. Warning for penalty for the QDBC. Number 9, pass break play to the Muscleman. Muscleman setting the play, regrouping talent forces. To number 2, to Papio, Custodio, 8 to shot. Malakas! Apanay, 200 kilometers per hour. Karumay, Kernel to as number 2. What a nice shot, what a nice play from the QDBC. 3 minutes to play, third period. Jordan Tagalog, ang nag-pin mo. Looking for Bunyi. Setting the play. 5 to shot. Jordan Tagalog, sumalpan ni Bruce. Kevin Tuason, 1-on-1. Rebound! Number 2, kinukulit ng dalawa. Number 2, nakalusot sa isinita. Bunyi! The Muscleman in the middle control. Sandali na po. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Number 7, waiting for his teammates. Apanay, drop to Wasale na agaw. Bruce in the middle, Puerto. 2 minutes remaining. Third quarter. exciting ball game. A 9-point lead for the Dragons. Number 31. 31. Dribbling ability. Number 1, Miles. Nabitawan! Nakuha ni Wansele. Bruce. Salute! Salute! Up! There's a foul. Foul given by number 24, Mr. Sal. Subdivisi.
Time out.
Timeout! Raya. And this timeout is brought to you by Pinoy Experts. Muli po sa mga bagong